Hey, what is up, guys? Today we be playing Beast Swarm once again. Okay. Flame Hive. Yes, the gifted bees. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that person be real good at this. Okay, so guys, today, now, hopefully I don't rage again. Mother Bear's midterm. Yeah, I have to raise 3 bees to level 8 and then feed 1,000 treats to my bees. And, 500 didn't go so well. Okay, so I'm just gonna land here and grab this ticket. There we go. I found 5 tickets. Okay, good. And now I need to get a free ant pass, and now we can get to work. Okay. So I think the best way to do this, because it instantly converts, I'm just gonna, use my ant pass. Go get him. Not only am I gonna get a lot of honey from this, but also I'm gonna get some boosts. So yeah. Come on. Okay, good. Now we need to let go. Yes. It's laggy because I'm in the porch because my brother's asleep. So yeah, and I don't have great Wi-Fi here. Around 8, it starts with the lawn mowers. No, bad giant ant. Bad boy giant ants. Bad boy giant ants. Yes. Okay, guys, so far my score is 23. I can't let this be. I need at least 50 score to get my next amulet. Yeah. Almost there at 10. Yes, okay. Yes, okay, round 5 complete. Right, I forgot fire ants. Fire bee ants. I accidentally crossed one of their paths, and then I was in a ton fighter. So I've only killed 29 ants. Just wow. And I need to collect 20,000 pollen. Well, at least I'm gonna have a lot of honey after this. And then we're gonna have to do some more. What? Almost there. Yes. I can get some more score now. Kill the ants. Kill the ants. Kill them ants. Kill them ants. Kill them ants. Kill the ants. Kill the ants. Yes, okay, we're at 35 score. I just need 45 more. I just need to kill 15 more ants. So yeah. Oh no, I only have 1 minute left. Yeah. Okay, just need 4,000 more. And I can see. Somehow I did better last time. I'll just replace it with the new amulet. Yes. Okay, I need to go to the mountaintop and also complete, defensive adaptions. No, I actually need to do Polar Bear's quest. To the cactus field, I guess. Yeah. No, bad werewolf. Bad werewolf. Bad werewolf. Bad. Yes. Okay. That was a good boy because he finished. I need to finish my quest. Why? Just why? I need to finish this quest right now. Then I need to turn it into Polar Bear, and then I will finish the quest. I don't know what sounds I'm making, boys, but who cares? I'm mad. Again, just like when I had to get 500 treats, now I had to do that times 2. Come on, stop lagging. Oh, Lion Bee, go. Yeah, I got this Lion Bee yesterday when I was playing with my other friends, so yeah. I forgot to plant my sprinkler there. Now flower will grow fast. Okay, here. Now I just need to stand here and then should grow. Yep, right there. Then it should boost flower growings. And then, yeah. Oh, now I can go talk to Polar Bear. Okay, good. Oh, this guy be putting down gumdrops. Let's go. Whoa, what's happening? I'm just gonna pretend I didn't see that because I think he just went Super Saiyan. Polar Bear. Just give me all the stuff. Yay. And he gave me 10 treats. Perfect. Now I have double Max B energy. Okay, how much Max B energy? How much is that? Oh, now it's 40. Okay, cool. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, now I need to go to the mountaintop field. Dun, 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 One minute. Alright, gotta make my honeys and then go to the mountaintop field. And it's all super laggy. I thought I upgraded it. Oh, 1.1 more. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, back on the cannon, red cannon, let's go. I see you down there, Mondo Chick. I don't care about Mother Bear's quest right now. Actually, I'll just buy some more tickets. How many tickets do I have? 15. 15 plus 15, that's 30. 30 plus 15. 5 plus 0, that's 5. Then 1 plus 3. Okay, then 45. I need 5 more. I didn't do it correctly. I need 15, and then I need 15, then 15, then 5. Okay, so 15 plus 15, that's 30. Wait, no. 15 plus 15 is 30. And then, so I just need to purchase 15, and then another 15. So 50. Yeah, so I need 35 more tickets. And I can't even purchase 10. How much? Okay, I'll just, you know what? Never mind. Fight the Mondo Chick. Get him. Ah, Rage Me powers. Die, Mondo Chick. Die. It be the level 8 Mondo Chick. Oh jeez. Oh, Hell Tiger. Hey, thanks for the festive blessing. Thank you. Even though that wasn't you. I don't know who gave me a festive blessing, but who cares? I just want to. Okay, we need to defeat the Mondo chick in 4 minutes, or else he will despawn. Dang it, you stupid little Mondo chick. Just defeat this Mondo. Defeat the Mondo chick. Come on, Biz. You can defeat the Mondo chick in 3 minutes. No. I can see inside his egg. What? Yeah, see, you can see the wings and himself. Oh, there, he popped out of his egg. I'm going back to the mountaintop one way or another. Okay, I'll just. Oh, and only the hate. Oh, okay, good. All the other bees are coming. Good. No. I'm going back to the mountaintop, boy! Mate, I was not spotted by the Mondo chick. This Mondo chick is too fat, literally. Wait, no, I need to go claim the 4 more royal jellies. Oh yeah, guys, 25 bees, or just use the slingshot, which is gonna be harder though. And you need at least a parachute, and come to this place, have 1 gifted bee, and you get a royal jelly every 21 hours. So yeah, I need 1 more gifted bee to get a bronze star amulet. And then, wait, discover or have? Oh, okay, discover. Okay, good. Discovering from the treat. I'm gonna use the treat on my lion bee. So then I'm gonna have a gifted lion bee or gifted diamond bee. Or gifted I don't know what to be. So many good ones. Polar bear plus science bear plus mother bear is actually pretty useful. Black bear and brown bear only useful for the fields. High altitude, bruh. I am nowhere near high. I am nowhere. Oh my god, bruh. And then you expect me to finish that in under 30 minutes. Well, that reminds me, guys. I'm gonna have to end this video here. Apparently, I'm probably gonna have to make more videos in one morning again.